Matapos umuwi ng walang panalo sa Window 2 ng 2027 FIBA World Cup Asian Qualifiers, binigyang diin ni Head Coach Tim Cone ang mga pagbabagong dapat pagtuunan ng pansin ng Gilas Pilipinas sa opensa para sa susunod na round sa July. Narito ang aking report.
Maituturing na masakit na pagkatalo para kay Gilas head coach Tim Cone ang home court games laban sa Australia at New Zealand sa second window ng 2027 FIBA World Cup Asian Qualifiers. Sa pagkabigo, nakita ng koponan ang pangangailangan na mas pasimplehin ang strategy at mapaunlad ang kanilang kalidad ng open shots.
We're going to have to look a little and maybe try a little more, but for a game and a half, I couldn't have been more proud about our defense. And that was one of the things we really wanted to correct coming into this window. You see, the moment you don't defend, the game can get away from you in a hurry.
Mas pag-aaralan umano ng team ang pagbuo ng mas maraming open shots at pagpapalawak sa opensa sa attack. Nang sa gayon ay mas maging handa na sila na muling harapin ang Tall Blacks at Boomers sa third window sa July. Sa 4 na laro, limitado pa rin ang 3-point shooting ng Pilipinas na umabot lamang sa 25% kahit may mga kakayahang shooters sa team.
These are going to be the two best teams we play in the World Cup qualifiers. I mean, these two teams are the best teams, and Australia is obviously the best. Again, the biggest disappointment here is this happened to us here at home, like Dwight said. You don't want it to happen here at home, but they're really good, and we knew they were going to be really good coming in, and we're going to have to play them again and see if we can try to sneak a win in the two of them.
Aminado rin si Tim Cone na malaki ang kawalan ni Kai Sotto na hindi pa rin nakapaglaro sa pambansang koponan kahit halos naka-recover na sa injury. Umaasa si Tim Cone na makakasama na ang big man para sa kanilang layunin na mag-qualify sa World Cup.
Our goal is not, we want to win every game because we represent the country. We want to win every game. But our goal, really our ultimate goal, is to make the World Cup. And that's where we're focused. We're hoping Kai will get back to us at some point, maybe this window or even beyond. But at some point, and that he's another factor, without a doubt, and we'd love to have him. But as long as he's not here, we can't cry about it, or we just got to keep moving forward.
Kasalukuyang 2-2 ang record ng team sa Group A at nakatuon sa misyon na maabot ang redemption at mag-advance sa next round.
Losing to Australia and New Zealand, the winning that we're going to have to do is really when we play the Middle Eastern teams, and that's going to be at the end of the year. We're going to have to win those games. Those are the ones that are really going to get us into the qualifying.